Hello students, today I am continuing with pair of linear equations in two variable. Today we are going to do exercise 3.6. This is the last exercise of this chapter. The question is, solve the following pair of equations by reducing them to a pair of linear equations. Solve the following pair of equations by reducing them into pair of linear equations. That means the given questions of this exercise are not in the form of pair of linear equations. So first of all, we have to change them into linear equation and then solve. Now method is mentioned, so you can go with any method. As I suggest, you may go with elimination method. Question number 1 is 1 upon 2x plus 1 upon 3y is equal to 2. We can call it as equation number 1. Second equation is 1 upon 3x plus 1 upon 2y is equal to 13 upon 6. I am calling it as equation number 2. Now what is the problem in these two equations? Why they are not linear equations? Because the variables x and y are in the denominator. Whereas in a linear equation in two variables, x and y must be always in the numerator. That's why it is not in the form of pair of linear equations. Now listen carefully. How can we change it into linear equation form, and then we will solve it. Wherever you find x and y in the denominator, this is the method. And the method is, let 1 upon x is equal to u and 1 upon y is equal to v. Let 1 upon x is equal to u and 1 upon y is equal to v. Now equation 1 becomes 1 upon x is removed. So what will be left out? 2 will be left out, where in the denominator. So it will become u upon 2. I hope you got it. Removing 1 upon x from this term, only 2 will be left out in the denominator. So in place of 1 upon x, we will write u. So it will become u upon 2 plus v upon 3 is equal to 2. LCM 6. It becomes 3u plus 2v is equal to 2. Cross multiply. 3u plus 2v is equal to 12. Let us keep it as equation number 3. In the same way, equation number 2 becomes u upon 3 plus v upon 2 is equal to 13 upon 6. Once again, I am going to take LCM in LHS. Taking LCM in LHS, it becomes 6 LCM, numerator 2u plus 3v. Here it is 13 upon 6. Now, this 6 and 6 will get cancelled. It becomes 2u plus 3v is equal to 13. Let us call it as equation number 4. Now, look at equation number 3 and equation number 4. 3 and 4 are pair of linear equation in u and v. Now, x and y are gone. Now, we got two equations in u and v. So we can solve it by any method, and then we will get the values of u and v first. So I am going to do it by elimination method. So for elimination method, we have to make the coefficients of either u or v equal. Look here. Here we have 3u and here we have 2u. So equation 3 multiplied by 2, it will become 6. Equation 4 multiplied by 3, it will become 6. So equation 3 multiply by 2 gives 6u plus 4v is equal to 12 into 2, 24. Keep it as equation number 5. Similarly, equation 4 multiplied by 3. 3 into 2, 6. 3 into 3, 9. 13 into 3, 39. Keep it as equation number 6. Now we got 6u and 6u in both the equations, so we can eliminate it by subtraction. It become minus, it become minus, it become minus. So equation 5 minus equation 6 gives 6u cancel, 4v minus 9v minus 5v. 24 minus 39 is equal to 50 minus 50. Minus 5v is equal to minus 50. V is equal to 50 upon 5 is equal to 3. We got V is equal to 3. After getting the value of any one variable, we know the method. We will substitute this value in any equation with any equation, either equation 3 or equation 4, because 3 and 4 are in terms of u and v. So I am putting the value of v in equation number 3. Putting the value of v in equation number 3, that is 3u plus 2v, but the value of v is 3. So 2 into 3 is equal to 12. That is 3u plus 6 is equal to 12. 3u is equal to 12 minus 6 is equal to 6. 3u equal to 6. Therefore, u is equal to 6 upon 3 is equal to 2. So we got the value of v and u now. But these are not our final value. We have to get the values of x and y. So after getting the values of v and u, we will go back and substitute these values of u and v here. So we got the value of v as 3 and u as 2. Now we are going to substitute these values of u and v here. We have 1 upon x. So you have to continue again. Now 1 upon x is equal to u, but we got the value of u as 2. So 1 upon x is equal to 2. Therefore x is equal to 1 upon 2. Again 1 upon y is equal to v. Therefore 1 upon y is equal to value of v is 3. 1 upon y is equal to 3 or y is equal to 1 upon 3. So finally we got the values of x and y. So this is a very important type. Wherever you can see x and y in the denominator, the method is common. Let 1 upon x is equal to u and 1 upon y is equal to v. These two given equations will become another equations in u and v. Treat them as linear equation in two variables and find the values of u and v by elimination method. Come back with these u and v values and put them here and here to get the values of x and y. So there is one more question of the same type and you may do it by yourself. Cool. See, this is question number 2. 2 upon root x plus 3 upon root y is equal to 2. We can call it as question number 1. 4 upon root x minus 9 upon root y is equal to minus 1. Let it be question number 2. The only change is that now in the denominator we have root x and root y. No problem. Let 1 upon root x is equal to u and 1 upon root y is equal to v. Therefore, equation number 1 become 1 upon root x has become u. So what is left out? 2. Where is 2? In the numerator. So this time the equation become 2u. This will become 3v. Remember 2 and 3 are in the numerator. So the equation has changed into 2u plus 3v is equal to 2. Let us take it as equation number 3. Equation 2 becomes 4u minus 9v is equal to minus 1. Equation number 4. In order to solve them by elimination method, 4u, 2u. Equation 3 multiplied by 2. 2 into 2, 4u plus 3 into 2, 6v is equal to 2 into 2, 4. Let us call it as equation number 5. 4u and 4u. So, subtraction. Equation 4 minus equation 5. Subtraction means sign change. Minus, minus, minus. 4u minus 4u cancel. Minus 9v minus 6v. Minus 9v minus 6v equal to minus 15v. Minus 1 minus 4 minus 5. V is equal to 5 upon 15 or minus 5 upon minus 15 is equal to 1 upon 3. We got V is equal to 1 upon 3. Now putting. Putting the value of V in any equation, we can put it in equation number 3. Putting the value of V in equation number 3. 2u plus 3 into V, but the value of V is 1 upon 3 is equal to 2. This 3 and 3 got cancel. 2u plus 1 is equal to 2. 2u is equal to 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. U is equal to 1 upon 2. So we got the values of V and U. Now we are going back to change them into X and Y. So now 1 upon root x is equal to u. Put the value of u, that is 1 upon root x is equal to 1 upon 2. Cross multiply. Root x is equal to 2. The only change from the previous question is that now we got the value of root x. Then how can we get the value of x? By squaring on both sides. Now squaring on both sides. Root x the whole square is equal to 2 square. Root x the whole square is x. 2 square is 4. So here we got the value of x. In the same way we will get the value of y. Again 1 upon root y is equal to v, that is 1 upon root y is equal to value of v is 1 upon 3. 1 upon 3 cross multiply. Root y is equal to 3. Squaring on both sides. Root y the whole square is equal to 3 the whole square, that is y is equal to 9. So the final answer, x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 9. The only change is that after getting the values of u and v, we will get the value of root x and root y. So we have to square it once. That's all. Now question number 3. It is 4 upon x. 4 upon x plus 3y is equal to 14. 3 upon x minus 4y is equal to 23. This is question number 3. This is very easy. Y is already in the numerator, so no problem. The problem is only with x. X is in the denominator in both the equation. So this time you need only one substitution. Let 1 upon x is equal to u. Let 1 upon x is equal to u. So the first equation will become 4u plus 3y is equal to 14. So equation number 1 becomes 4u plus 3y is equal to 14. Keep it as equation number 3. And equation number 2 becomes 3u minus 4y is equal to 23. Equation number 4. Now, you got a pair of linear equation in u and y. Y is your final answer. The only thing is that after getting the value of u, you have to come back and change it into x. So it's a very easy question. From here you can solve it further by elimination method. Get the value of u and y and change u into x. So this is easy. Please do it by yourself. Now question number 4. Question number 4 is 5 upon x minus 1 plus 1 upon y minus 2 is equal to 2. Keep it as equation number 1. 6 upon x minus 1 minus 3 upon y minus 2 is equal to 1. This is equation number 2. Now some more complication is increase. In place of x and y we have x minus 1 and y minus 2. No problem. The method is saying let 1 upon x minus 1 is equal to u and 1 upon y minus 2 is equal to v. So equation 1 becomes 5u plus 1v or simply v is equal to 2. This is equation number 3. And equation 2 becomes 6u minus 3v is equal to 1. Equation number 4. Here it is easy to make v coefficient equal because v is alone here and here it is minus 3v. So if we multiply equation number 3 by 3 or minus 3, both will work out. I am going to multiply equation 3 by 3. 3 into 5, 15 u plus 3v is equal to 6. Equation number 5. Write down equation number 4 below it. 6u, or it is already written. Now, here it is minus 3v, here it is plus 3v. How can we make them cancel? By addition. So here we will do equation 4 plus equation 5. Since it is addition, no sign change. 6 plus 15, 21u. Minus 3v plus 3v cancel. 6 plus 1, 7. U is equal to 7 upon 21 is equal to 1 upon 3. We got the value of u. Now putting the value of u. Putting the value of u in any one equation. Which equation is easy? We can go for 3. Putting the value of u in equation number 3. 5 u, but the value of u is 1 upon 3. So 5 into 1 upon 3 plus v is equal to 2. 5 upon 3 plus v is equal to 2, or v is equal to 2 minus 5 upon 3 is equal to 6 minus 5 upon 3 is equal to 1 upon 3. We got the value of v also. Now we have to change these u and v into x and y. How? Go back here. So now 1 upon x minus 1 is equal to u. That is 1 upon x minus 1 is equal to value of u is 1 upon 3. Cross multiply. X minus 1 is equal to 3. X is equal to 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. So finally we got the value of x. Now in the same way we have to find the value of y. So we will continue again. 1 upon y minus 2. 1 upon y minus 2 is equal to v. That is 1 upon y minus 2 is equal to value of v is 1 upon 3. Cross multiply. Y minus 2 is equal to 3. Y is equal to 3 plus 2, that is y is equal to 5. So finally we got the answers. X is equal to 4 and y is equal to 5. Method is saying wherever you see anything of this x and y alone in the denominator or x and y along with some constant in the denominator, the method is saying let that entire denominator be u and the second denominator be v. So the given equations will be converted in the form of u and v, solve it for u and v, and then come back and put it here in let, and we will get the values of x and y. So please practice. These type questions are very important. Take similar question from other books also and practice it. I will continue the remaining questions of this exercise in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care and practice.